How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys hand grip exercises for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So I will put a link in the description box if you guys want to buy steel hand grips. If you guys don't have them, purchase them in the link in the description box, and then you guys can get started with the workouts, you guys. So what I recommend doing is starting off with the lightest amount of hand grip exercise, the steel hand grip that you have. So the lightest one that you have. For me, that's going to be 150 pounds. For most of them on the internet, they're going to be anywhere from 100 to 150 pounds. Generally, if you are a beginner, this is going to be the one that you start with. Most people will be able to squeeze this at least 3 to 4 times. If you can only squeeze it once or twice, that's fine as well. So when starting the workout, what we want to do for our steel hand workout, and this is what I personally have been doing for the last 2 years. And again, you guys can see my forearms. My forearms are very, very strong. They're very developed. You can see a lot of muscle development on them, and I can squeeze the 300 pounds. So again, starting off with the 150s, that's my smallest one. If you have hundreds, that's fine, whatever you can squeeze. What you want to do is you want to start off getting as many reps as you can. So what I recommend doing is if you can get 10 repetitions, that's fine. 10 repetitions, good. So you're going to do 2 sets of 10 repetitions. So you're going to do 10 reps and 10 reps. You're going to do that on Monday. On Tuesday, you're going to take a day off. You're not going to do hand grip training. For hand grip training, you do need some sort of rest period. You can't just do it every single day. You can, but your grip strength won't grow as fast as it could as if you did take an actual day off in between. So I recommend taking a day off in between. So Monday, 10 reps, do 100, 150 pounds, whatever you have. On Wednesday, what you're going to do, and this is the progression rate, all you're going to do is add 1 to 2 reps for your total sets. So what I mean by this is if you can do 10 reps and 10 reps on Monday, on Wednesday, for one set, you're going to try to do 12 repetitions. Then the other set, you're simply going to do the same thing, another 10 repetitions. Thursday, you're going to take a break. Friday, you're going to try to get another 2 reps. So what you can do is you can try to get 12 repetitions on one set. The next set, try to get 12 repetitions. Now, some of you may be saying, Monday, I only get 10 repetitions, but on Wednesday, I can get like 15 or 16 repetitions. Should I try to get as many as possible? In my opinion, no. I would stick with the progression. I would only add 1 to 2 reps every single workout. What this will do, this will allow you to train for a longer period of time without plateauing. If you simply add as many reps as you can right off the start, you're gonna plateau very quickly. If you allow yourself to only add 1 or 2 reps over time, you're gonna go for a longer period of time and you will see a higher ceiling for your gains. So what I recommend doing is going to about 30 repetitions. So if you can close this for 30 repetitions, you guys, then what I reckon for 2 sets, 30 repetitions for 2 sets, then you're gonna move on to the 200 pounds, then the 250s, then the 300 pounds. When you're doing these though, it's very important. Now, a lot of people will say when starting these, what I recommend doing, let's say you can do, let's say 7 repetitions. So you do 7 repetitions, you notice your hand's starting to slip. So what you do now is you restart, you grab it and you keep going. Now, do you restart? Absolutely not. Keep counting, keep going. So when I'm doing this, what'll happen is it might slip out of my hand a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll just re-grip it and I'll continue on with my set, you guys. So that's what I recommend doing for hand grip training. Fantastic way to build up your grip strength. Trust me on this. And also your forearms will get jacked as well. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.